Well, it is finally here. Finally a practical book for people with chronic fatigue syndrome who just want step-by-step practical answers so they can literally get their life back. This book is something that has been needed for a freaking long time, and it's finally here. And if you want to get your hands on a copy, all you need to do is comment the word book below, and you can register your details, and you will be the first to be able to get this book in your hands. And, you know, this book is 16 and a half years worth of work tied into 333 pages. And it's not just information, it's not just hope, it's not just stories about people getting better and getting their lives back. It's actually the frameworks and the teachings that actually helped myself and thousands of people in over 78 countries get their life back. So if you do want a copy, just simply comment the word book below. We'll send you a link. You can learn all about it there and get your name on the wait list as soon as it launches. And so I wanted to kind of talk about the book and what's in it, why I wrote it, and why it matters to you. So firstly, many of you don't know, I've been helping people for the last 16 and a half years professionally with their chronic fatigue syndrome recoveries and helping them ultimately integrate back into life and live again. And about 13 years ago, I wrote my first book. And funnily enough, it was probably about this thick, right? It was about a quarter of the thickness of this book. And the first book was amazing. You know, I was very young. I think I was 24 when I wrote it. It was my story of how I got better from chronic fatigue syndrome, the trials and tribulations, what I learned through that process. And then there was probably like 4 or 5 chapters that were helpful information about recovery, but it wasn't really nuanced, and it was all I knew, right? There was, I was young. I'd only probably worked with, by that point, maybe 500 clients. And whilst that's a large number for many people, we've literally helped like thousands and thousands of people now. And of course, my philosophy has changed over the last 16 and a half years since working with so many people of all different age groups, all different severities. And of course, learning from other professionals who now work under the umbrella of CFS Health, I decided to write this book as something that was for you. So the first book was more about me. It was the hero's journey. I was super proud of myself. I was like, oh my God, I'm going to inspire the millions of people around the world because of my story. And that's great. That's really cool. It served its purpose. It helped a lot of people. That book sold out. Like, there's literally no more hard copies. I think some person on the internet is trying to resell theirs for $142 or something. Please don't buy that. Wait for this book instead. It's not going to be that expensive, and it's going to be way more impactful for your own recovery. But I decided 3.5 years ago that it was time to rewrite a second book. And what's funny is I started writing the second book. If you've ever written a book, it's very, very challenging. And particularly with, something like chronic fatigue syndrome, it's a subject that can be kind of, boring in the sense of, like, from the reader's perspective, like, you don't just want to read more information and not be that inspired. And so I wanted to really make sure this book was as light as possible, as practical as possible, and no hype and no fluff. And so when, it's funny, on the back of the book, it actually says here, I'll read it out. Your recovery begins now. You're living in a body that no longer feels like your own. Doctors shrug. People don't get it. Some say you're lazy, and the life you used to live feels like a distant memory. You didn't choose this battle, but you're living it every day. The exhaustion, the fear, the isolation, and none of it's fair. You've probably been told to just rest, think more positively, or push through more times than you can count. It's time for a change. In Get Your Life Back, a step-by-step recovery guide for chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS recovery specialist and former CFS sufferer, Toby Morrison, cuts through the noise with a step-by-step guide that's honest, practical, and refreshingly real. No miracle cures, no fluffy promises, just a proven roadmap built from years of helping thousands of people in over 78 countries reclaim their energy, their identity, and their lives. And so, that's what this book is about. with straight talk, humour, real life stories, guidance for loved ones, and the kind of empathy that only comes from lived experience. Toby shows that recovery isn't only possible, but it happens all the time. Whether you're newly diagnosed, lost in the chaos, or have struggled for years, this book gives you the tools, the support, and the confidence for recovery. It's possible to get your life back. It all begins now. And so I'm getting chills down my spine as I say this, because this book is written for you. It's funny, I had to write the dedication. This is the first real hard copy of this book sent to me by the publisher. And, it's amazing. There's frameworks, there's QR codes in every chapter for you to get free trainings on specific topics of recovery. But the publisher said, Toby, you need to write a dedication. And, my first book was dedicated to my family and, the people who supported me. But this one was just dedicated to you. And it was so simple. I said to my team yesterday, we're all around this table actually, and I said to my team, I've got to do a dedication. I just literally want to say, this book is dedicated to you if you're suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome. And I think we gave like 3 versions of that to the editor and they'll choose one. But I wrote this book for you. This has got nothing to do with myself. Of course, there's my story in it, but it's not, I think a lot of authors write books for themselves. That's kind of like a selfish pursuit. This one was just fully blood, sweat and tears for you, because I wanted to make sure that you have my 16 years of wisdom, knowledge and practical understanding of recovery in your hands, so you can then have the empowerment to go and change your life. And this is what this book is about. It's a funny story. I wrote this book 3.5 years ago, or the first iteration of it. And I thought it was really good. And I sent it to a few people and some loved it, some thought it was a bit all over the place. And then I read it again and I wasn't happy with it at all about 2 years ago. And so 1.5 years ago, I actually flew to a different country and I sat there for 2 weeks, every single day in this chair in a little kind of hut on the beach, and I rewrote the entire book. Now, a lot of people don't know that. I set a timer every day and I just worked. Of course, I had my lunch breaks and some breakfasts, some breaks for breakfast, lunch and dinner. But I really just dedicated my heart and soul for those 2 weeks in that country, Philippines, beautiful place, and rewrote the entire book because it wasn't good enough. Like, it felt good, but I was like, this needs to be great. I'm not putting this out there until it's amazing. And the funny thing is, the publisher that I'm working with, they're just as good as me in the sense of like, they're okay with me not letting it go out until it's completely perfect for you to then just digest and move forwards with, and it's ready. It's finally ready. So we cover every area of recovery. Nothing's left undone. I think a lot of people on the internet go, Toby, what's the secret? Or people are withholding the secret. And in this book, I've withheld nothing from it. So I've put everything that I believe is necessary for you to understand of what is required of recovery, so you can ultimately get your life back. It's going to be available in all over the world, in Audible, hard copy and ebook. So if you're wanting to get a copy, all you need to do is comment the word book below and we'll send you the details. And of course, like I said before, it'll be available on Audible, it'll be available on ebook, it'll be available in hard copy or paperback. And I just can't wait for you to get this in your hands. This book is going to change the game for a long time for anyone who is suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome, long COVID, fibromyalgia, POTS, post-viral fatigue syndrome, any of those chronic illnesses that fall under that category. This process and pathway is going to help you with it. So thank you so much for the support already. I think we've got like 4,500 people on the wait list. It's only been a couple of weeks since we even announced the fact that there is a new book coming. And everyone who has read it so far, even our general manager here at CFS Health, Ash Ward, she has never had chronic fatigue syndrome. She's a reader. She was like, I can't put this book down. Like, I want to keep reading it. And she's like, I'm learning so much. And for me, it's like, it's helpful even in my own life. And so to hear that from someone like her, who is an avid book reader, who is very intelligent, and for her to be able to like not want to put the book down. And the funny thing is, this is my last little bit I want to say on this, I don't really read books. In fact, I'm not really a bookworm. I'm not a book reader. I like to create things. And I obviously had to read this entire book last week to make sure I'm completely happy with it before I said yes to completely publish and push that green button. And I was like chapter 6 maybe, all about baseline. I got to chapter 6 and I was like, who wrote this? Like this is good. Like in my mind, I'm like, it feels so well written. And it's funny because as the writer, you're not reading it as you're writing. You're just writing for the user who's going to read it. But now it makes total sense. Like so much thought and effort has gone into every single word. And of course, it's easy to write a book these days. You can go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a book on anything. I wanted to let you know that every single word in this book has been thought out and written by myself, right? And so that's what I'm most proud of. It's pure wisdom, and there's no fluff, there's no hype. It's just pure help, pure hope, real life stories, real case studies. But the one thing I'm really stoked about is the QR codes at the end of every chapter. So you can see here, whenever I'm talking about something specific and there's a training for it, it's actually inside the book. And so you can see here there's key takeaways at the end of every chapter. The text is a little bit larger, so it's easier to read if you've got brain fog. But then you can scan the QR code and then it takes you to the specific training based off what you're needing help with or what the topic is about. I love it. It's going to be game-changing. Like I said, if you want a copy, just comment the word book below. We'll send you the details. And I can't wait to see this book in your hands. Bye for now.